first heart champion is Subhash Mittal ji. He's from Brave Hearts and he has achieved normal BP going above 160 by 100. He's come down to normal state. 100% improvement in digestion, no more overthinking and no more negative thoughts.
So there were many health issues before the Hillathon 5 began, like high BP, constipation, age-related stamina, and of course overthinking, along with sleep issues. So after Hellathon 5, I found my BT had actually gone down to 131 by 73, very close to normal.
For your age, it's absolutely normal, Subhash ji.
And doctor has reduced my morning medicines from 3 to
Wow.
1 already.
Wow. Congratulations.